बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। क्लास 12 सब्जेक्ट इकोनॉमिक्स। आज का जो टॉपिक है डेट इज जियोमेट्रिक मेथड। जियोमेट्रिक मेथड मेजर्स प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड at different points on the demand curve. Geometric method measures price elasticity of demand at different points on the demand curve. It is also called point method of measuring price elasticity of demand. ये जियोमेट्रिक मेथड जो है इसको हम पॉइंट मेथड ऑफ मेजरिंग प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड भी कह सकते हैं। गोया कि जो जियोमेट्रिक मेथड है वी कैन कॉल इट पॉइंट मेथड ऑफ मेजरिंग प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड। तो इसको जब हम यूज करते हैं मेथड only with reference to a linear demand curve, with reference to a linear demand curve which is a straight line, means जो ये linear demand curve है it is a straight line demand curve as in figure 1। पहली फिगर जो है आप देख सकते हैं, पहली फिगर नंबर 1, दिस इज फिगर नंबर 1, estimation of price elasticity of demand using point method। This is x axis, it shows quantity, this is y axis, it shows price, and this is mn line, we can call it linear डिमांड कर्व या हम इसको स्ट्रेट डिमांड कर्व भी कह सकते हैं एम एन को। एंड दिस इज पॉइंट पी, इट इज मिड पॉइंट, एंड हियर यू कैन सी दिस इज पी एन, इट इज लोअर सेगमेंट, इट इज पी एम, इट इज अपर सेगमेंट। तो it is to note here that P is the midpoint, Pn is the lower segment, Pm is the upper segment. Now, in this figure, Mn is a straight line, as I was discussing it just now. So, demand curve P is the specific point on the demand curve, means it is the midpoint. The point P divides demand curve into two segments. This point P, it divides the demand curve Mn into two segments. Lower segment, that is Pn, and upper segment, that is Pm. Now, elasticity of demand at point P is estimated as the ratio between lower segment Pn and upper segment Pm, that is elasticity of demand, ED, it means elasticity of price, elasticity of demand at point P। at point P अगर इसको ले लीजिए, यहां क्या है, that is Pn, ब्रैकेट में है लोअर सेगमेंट फ्रॉम P डिवाइड बाय Pm, अपर सेगमेंट फ्रॉम P। तो इससे आपको अंदाजा होगा, तो एम एन की जब हम बात करें, इट इज ए स्ट्रेट लाइन डिमांड कर्व स्लोपिंग डाउनवर्ड। P is the midpoint on the demand curve. It divides the demand curve into two equal segments, lower segment Pn and upper segment, that is Pm. So elasticity of demand is equal to lower segment divided by upper segment, corresponding to a particular point on the demand curve. Now we have a figure 2 here, price elasticity of demand on different points on straight line demand curve. It is figure number 2. Figure number 2 offers further details of elasticity of demand on different points of a straight line demand curve. ये स्ट्रेट लाइन जो है इसके डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स जो हैं ये यहाँ हमें बताएगी प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड. नाउ P is midpoint on demand curve. This is P. It is midpoint on demand curve. At point P, elasticity of demand, ED, it indicates elasticity of demand. It is equal to 1. It is equal to 1 because lower segment is equal to upper segment. Here, lower segment is equal to upper segment. So, at point P, it is elasticity of demand is 1. Between M and P, elasticity demand is greater than 1. It is greater than 1. A, point A shows us elasticity of demand is greater than 1. As you know, lower segment is greater than upper segment. Now, between P and N, this portion, between P and N, elasticity of demand is less than 1. Lower segment is less than upper segment. Lower segment is less than upper segment. Now at point M, this is point M here, elasticity of demand is infinity, upper segment is -0. At point N, elasticity of demand is 0 here because lower segment is 0. Now, elasticity of demand is 1, it is unity. If point P is at the middle of the demand curve, then lower segment is equal to upper segment. Accordingly, elasticity of demand is Pn over Pm is equal to 1. दूसरी सूरत जो इसकी है, that is elasticity of demand is greater than 1, greater than unity. A point, elasticity of demand An over Am, it is greater than 1 because An is greater than Am. Now, condition number 3, third, elasticity of demand is less than 1. It is less than 1 at point B. Elasticity of demand is Bn divided by Bm. It is less than 1 because Bn is less than Bm. Now, condition number 4, elasticity of demand is 0 at point N where the demand curve touches the x-axis. Here, elasticity of demand is 0 divided by Mn, Nm is equal to 0. Now, condition number 5, elasticity of demand is infinity. At point M, where the demand curve touches the y-axis here, elasticity of demand is Nm divided by 0 is equal to infinity. Any real number divided by 0 tends towards infinity. I will repeat it. Any real number divided by 0 tends towards infinity. So this was today's topic, geometric method. तो परसों हमने वो मेथड किया था प्रोपोर्शनेट मेथड और परसेंटेज मेथड. वो पहला था and this is the second one, geometric method. Thank you.